What's up YouTube? Welcome to Pastoral Homestead. I'm Pastor Pinewood, and today we are dismantling this yellow beast of a boat. I call it the yellow boat from hell. Whatever you want to call it, it's sinfully ugly. So we're going to take it apart today in the process of making it beautiful and running again. So just join with us. We're going to take the whole thing apart, or at least what we can get done today. It's a beautiful afternoon, and hope you guys enjoy. Okay, let's take a look here. We got the front compartment. I thought it was storage, but it's not. It's an old live well, so we'll definitely be ripping that thing out. We definitely don't need a live well up there. Of course, we got the rod locker that we'll have to extend a little bit because the fishing rods they used whenever this thing was made were like, you know, 5 foot, 6 foot was a long fishing rod. We got these middle compartments that are the old live wells. We'll put those back. I do want to have live wells in here in case whoever ends up with the boat next year, maybe they want to fish a tournament out of it, so they'll need live wells. I'm not sure what to do with the seat bench. I definitely didn't like the fact that it's all there together, and it's really challenging to get up under it, and I have no idea why they did that. It doesn't make any sense to me, so I'm going to rethink that and maybe do something a little bit different where you'd have some storage under your seats like in the more modern boats. Then back here in the bilge, it's just dirty, and all this stuff has got to be replaced, so we'll cut all that out, all the flooring, all the stringers, all that good stuff, and just completely rework it. Back here on the transom, this splash pan I think will be okay. I don't think we're gonna have to do very much repair on this. We'll take this guy out, this thing in the middle, and we'll have it all run through the side hole like they do more on normal boats. So I think it's kind of cut and dry after that. We'll just get it, you know, taken apart and start on fiberglass work. You can see this transom back here has definitely had some rough days, and it's anxious to get in there and see how bad it looks on the inside because it is in rough shape. Whoever put a plate on this thing and actually ran an 85 horse on it was they were brave, because there's no way I would have done that. I thought I'd bring you over here to the shade and show you the old blue boat that we've got. Now remember, the blue boat is this is my fishing boat this year, and the carpet is pretty rough. And on the other boat that I've got sitting over there that we're not going to get to until midsummer at best, probably more like the fall, it's got a whole roll of gray carpet with the foam pad. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that carpet and I'm going to strip this one out, recarpet it kind of quick like, and have this ready to fish in the lap of luxury this summer. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly how this is going to play out. Tomorrow there's a possibility I might roll this out and start on the wax job a little bit. The problem is I don't have a lot of time tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Wednesday. Wednesdays are pretty busy. And I do have to replace the trolling motor, and so that's going to take me a little time, so I might wait till Thursday to do that. But anyway, just stay tuned because I'll definitely take a video of that. I've got a couple of new products that I want to try, and I'll bring you along for that, and we can see how they work together. I'm kind of excited about it. Just a couple of things before we leave. Don't forget, podcast Fraternize with these guys comes out every Thursday. Link down there in the description. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. I really loved hearing from you guys, and I'm trying to rebuild the audience that we had when we left off last year after the transom videos. We had a lot of interaction on every video, so trying to get some of that back. So if you would, drop me a comment. If you have any recommendations on any of the stuff we got going on around here, let me know. I'd sure appreciate it. But it's going to be an exciting spring. Thank you guys for joining us, and we will catch you on the next video. God bless.